there are some legal strategies out there that are a complete waste of your time. And I know that I'm supposed to be positive, and this is supposed to be kittens and rainbows here at this little YouTube channel or Instagram or TikTok or LinkedIn or whatever you're watching this thing on. However, sometimes you got to preach a little hellfire and damnation because it's part of the truth, right? Let's talk a little harsh truth today. You're going to waste your time in at least 3 ways. The first way you waste your time, folks, is I'm going to wait and see what happens. I want to wait before I hire an attorney. I want to wait before I do anything with this case. Oh my goodness. The government is not your friend. The judge is not your friend. The prosecutor is not your friend. The cops aren't your friend. Whoever's accusing you may or may not have been a friend. They may be an ex-friend, a frenemy, I don't know. But I do not see good things happening when you do nothing. The government is operating this very large steamroller, and it takes a while to get going, and it moves slow. But if you just lay in the road in front of it, it is going to roll over you. So please, a complete waste of your time is to just say, I'm not going to get an attorney. I'm going to wait and see what happens. For your sake, I hope you don't do that. The stats on that are horrible. Let's not do that. Enough of that. The second thing that is a waste of your time is some of you are on your phones a lot. Some of you are on social media a lot. Great, no worries, good for you. However, just because your 100,000 followers think it's crazy what happened to you, and I can't believe they're doing this to you. You cannot try your case on social media. I don't care how many people on social media or the news cycle are all for you or all against you. None of that matters in a court of law. I guarantee you. It's amazing what a bubble we live in a courtroom. It is a bubble that will not be influenced by however many followers you have or by the news cycle. I'm sorry, it just won't. And you are wasting your precious time and energy trying to convince a bunch of strangers that will not be talking to the judge, that will not be forming your defense, that will not be doing anything with your case. It's a waste. Please don't do it. Finally, some of you have gone over your police reports, which I appreciate. You've participated, but you get stuck in these, what I would say, minor indiscrepancies. I want you to know that there are a lot of people in prison and in jail, unfortunately, a lot of convicted felons out there, unfortunately, and their cases had minor indiscrepancies, right? So you can come to me and be like, John, he described the car as green, but it's really like Costa Rican yellow. Okay, I understand that. But the color of your car not being right, or, you know, they put in the report, there's a place in there where it's the wrong day. I wasn't really arrested on Saturday, I was arrested on Friday, or blah, blah, blah. People make some what we call Scrivener errors, all right? There are some little indiscrepancies, some little Scrivener errors in cases. I totally get that. That does not mean you are gonna win your case, and that is not something that you should spend all your time and energy trying to sort out and detangle little bitty indiscrepancies, when in fact there are more important things to do on your case to defend your case, to beat the case. I just can't with some of you. I really can't. Probably won't end up being my client if I hear during our conversation that you are bogged down in all these little minor inconsistencies and that your case should go away because of these little things. I know we want only rainbows and kittens here, but I'm just going to tell you for this brief period of time, it's not going to happen for you. And the sad truth is that the court system can live with some minor indiscrepancies and still convict. Okay, so those are my 3 little guideposts for y'all out there. I hope that you gain something from watching these things. I like to watch other people's stuff. I like to learn like you are. If you got arrested in Orange County, Seminole, Osceola, Brevard, Lake, well, guess what? I've been defending cases here for 31 years. The Orange County Courthouse is behind me and the other courthouses are nearby. I'd love to help you out. Give our office a call. If you're just watching to gain knowledge, I like that. You could help us out too. Just push some buttons. There's random buttons here. I don't know. These big companies change the buttons all the time. If there's some button that's going to help us out, like a subscribe, like a like, or some new thing they come up with, please do it for us because we could use it. Thank you for watching.